As we get closer to Christmas, I'm sure a lot of you are making plans to head home. And if you can't for whatever reason, hopefully this drink finds you and makes your season extra special. It's December and in my house, that means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming holiday party, or just to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And for day 19, I'm making you home for the holiday. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, I'm gonna be using gin. Additionally, I need to use some fresh squeezed lemon juice, cranberry juice, angostura bitters, as well as egg whites. I personally like egg whites in the carton because they're easier to measure out and pour, but you can certainly use an egg if you'd like. And for garnish, I'm gonna be sprinkling cloves on top. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set, as well as a hawthorn strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, add in about 4 dashes of angostura bitters. Next, add in 2 ounces of gin. Now it's time to add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Now add 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice. And lastly, add in 1 egg white, or in my case, 3 tablespoons of egg whites. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now strain everything into a coupe glass and garnish with that sprinkled clove. And there you have it, home for the holidays. Cheers. I'd say this is definitely a more seasonal version of a Clover Club. Right off the bat, I can tell there's cloves on the top of the drink. I can smell that in my nose before it goes in. The cranberry juice is very subtle, and I'd say this is more of a citrus-forward drink. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. I love my egg white drinks, but if I really want to make a drink like this, I'm probably gonna stick to a classic and make a Clover Club. As far as the holidays are concerned, this is not a very sweet drink, and this is something that cocktail people will enjoy. Either way, I'm glad I tried it, and in the comments, I'd love to know, would you try this drink? And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.